So today we will discuss about peroxisome. Basically, peroxisome is a cell organelle. Peroxisome is a cell organelle which is present in both type of cells, like an eukaryotic cell, in an eukaryotic cell, plus in prokaryotic cell, right? So it is present in eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell too. Basically it is a single membrane bounded organelle which contains a core inside this. This is basically its core, and this core basically contains enzymes. So it has enzymes into this, right? So this peroxisome has enzymes into this. Basically, this peroxisome is named because it contains a toxic substance. It contains a toxic substance known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. So it contains a toxic substance which is hydrogen peroxide. Let's look at the formula of hydrogen peroxide too. The formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2, right? So basically in peroxisome there is the production and decomposition of hydrogen peroxide takes place in peroxisome. So in peroxisome, the production and the decomposition of the H2O2 takes place. For example, this is peroxisome. This is a single membrane bounded organelle. So it dissociates into small H2O2 H2O plus O2, right? This, okay, it is the production and the decomposition of H2O2 takes place in peroxisome. Basically, this peroxisome is present in our liver cells, plus in our kidneys, right? For what purpose? Or basically for detoxification in liver cells, for detoxification, right? Detoxification of what? Basically detoxification of alcohol in liver cells, right? The function of peroxisome is basically it helps in photorespiration. Basically in photorespiration, three organelles are involved, right? Chloroplast, peroxisome, and I guess mitochondria. I'm not sure, but maybe these three, right? But peroxisome is the most which is common. I'm sure that peroxisome is used in photorespiration. So basically in photorespiration the peroxisome is used. Now basically this peroxisome it helps in detoxification and other function that it helps in beta oxidation. Now what is this? Basically it breaks down fats. The breakdown of fat into smaller components, or you can say smaller size, smaller components, so they can enter mitochondria for cellular respiration, right? So basically beta oxidation takes place, in which the fatty acids, the lipids are broken down into these smaller components, or you can say smaller branches, smaller size, so they can easily enter the mitochondria for the cellular respiration, right? Now basically this beta oxidation produces heat. This beta oxidation produces heat, so it means this helps in thermogenesis too. This peroxisome also have a role in thermogenesis, right? Now basically we have, basically it contains two enzymes. As I said, the inner core, the core contain enzymes, right? Okay, let me picture again. This is peroxisome, this is core, and inside this core enzymes are present, right? This core contains enzymes, for example peroxidase. It contains catalase. It contains catalase. It contains there was another enzyme, peroxidase, catalase, and there was another enzyme, peroxidase, catalase, and okay, I'll be telling you if I'll remember it. Okay, more okay, basically this peroxisome is derived from Golgi body. It comes from Golgi body, or you can say Golgi complex, right? So it comes from Golgi body, the vesicle, like you know the Golgi body produces vesicles, so secretory vesicles. So one of those vesicle is this peroxisome 2. Okay, okay, I got the enzyme, which was basically peroxidase, catalase, and oxidase. Okay, these are some enzymes which are present in the peroxisome. Now basically this peroxisome is, okay, the most important function of this peroxisome is to produce some phospholipids, like some important, okay, it produces cholesterol, which is basically a which is basically a lipid, but it's not a true lipid, but it's a lipid. It's basically a derived lipid. Okay, we have discussed this thing in biomolecules. It produces cholesterol, and basically, and also transport it. Okay, it also produces some important phospholipids, some important for example, plasmalogen. Basically, this is an important phospholipid which is basically used, like which is present in our heart and plus into in our brain. So it is present in our heart and in our brain, this plasmalogen, which is produced by peroxisome. So I hope this peroxisome is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and we're very glad to answer you guys.